This festival has been so good. I like it. I've seen unity. I've seen our culture. People, exchanging culture, the love, the food, and the interaction was so nice. The experience is so good. I think when I go back, I have so many things to tell to my people in Kenya. Oromo, we are like 11, 12 kind of tribes. So even from Kenya, we are Oromos from Kenya. So this Irreecha, the connection, you see even the connection right now, because we've traveled all along those distance, I think thousands of kilometers, to just come and be with the brothers from this region. That is one unity, that is one connection. I think that is more of explanation that I think you can see for yourself. Yeah, the unity, the connection, and we share even the language. The only thing I think is the accent. The accent, there is Oromo accent, the Borana accent, there is RC accent, Hararge. That is the only. But we are all Oromo and we are one. So this Irreecha has brought us all together, and that is what makes us one, and what makes us Oromo, and that is what we all want: the unity and the love. That is all we want, and we are getting it here in Irreecha, and we have seen it with our eyes. And everyone, even the whole of the world, sees this. Yeah, we are brothers and sisters. I want to encourage even those people who are far from Ethiopia. They should try at least and come and experience this thing. It's very nice. I think I've never seen, when I was in Kenya, many people talk different things. But before you judge, you are told never judge a book by its cover, right? So you just need to come and experience it and see for yourself. I'm telling you, Ethiopia is one of the best and beautiful country. Beautiful place, by the way. I've been, I think, in Ethiopia right now, like around 3 months. I've been going around doing some comedy, and I've loved this country. Guys, come and see for yourself. A very beautiful place, very nice place. I think if you want to visit somewhere, for leisure, you wanna go, just visit Oromiyaa. Very beautiful place.
That I have never heard or heard like Irreecha, what it's all about. But the moment I understand the Irreecha is all about the unity, the diversity, and the peace of the togetherness of the people coming together and celebrate their unity, I'm so happy. And since I come, I have seen so many different, diverse, coming together. That is a love. It brings love, the interaction. As we come, for me, I have learned a lot about the dressing code, the culture of the individual as they dress. Like I saw there is a girl in a white cloth with the green, and when I asked about her, she told me it's Jimma. The other girl Walaga. The other girl RC. So many, it's a diverse, and I'm very happy and much loved about it. And I can't wait to attend so many occasions like this.
Irreecha Festival is where most of people came together. It's one of the largest festivals in East and Central Africa. And it has really brought us together. Ever imagine, someone just waking up from his home, like me, all from Kenya up to here, just to come and celebrate together in peace, love, eat, enjoy. That's really amazing. It's so beautiful. I wish this thing continue not only annually, after every month. Actually, I love to come here again.
It's a festival that brings together all the Oromo community around the globe. Maybe I can say across the African nations, because we are coming from Kenya. We have others from South Africa, we have others from Egypt, and also there are those who are coming from Europe and maybe America. So it's a cultural festival that brings the Oromo community together, because like us, Oromo in Kenya, our ancestors left Ethiopia, migrated to Kenya for more than 5 years ago. But today we got an opportunity because of Irreecha that we join our brothers and sisters of Oromo here in Ethiopia. So it's a good event and we really appreciate it.